How do you check in Python whether a string contains only numbers? How do you check whether a string contains only numbers? I've given it a go here. I'd like to see the simplest way to accomplish this.
You'll want to use the isDigit method on your str object. From the isDigit documentation, str.isDigit return true if all characters in the string are digits and there is at least one character, false otherwise. Digits include decimal characters and digits that need special handling, such as the compatibility superscript digits. This covers digits which cannot be used to form numbers in base 10, like the Kharoshthi numbers. Formally, a digit is a character that has the property value numeric underscore type equals digit or numeric underscore type equals decimal.
Use str.isDigit.
Use string isDigit function.
As you can see, all three EG means that there is only no in your string. So you can follow the respective solutions given with them.